everyone. Have you all celebrated your festival? Yes, now it's time to learn. I'm so happy to welcome you all to watch this video. In this video, we are going to learn science. This video is for 4th standard ICC, subject science, lesson 10, part 3, session 23. I have taught the lesson in the previous videos, part 1 and 2. Go through that video. Let us learn some new words in this video. The topic of the lesson, matter and its states. The new words I have selected from this lesson are solid, liquid, gases, weight, states, compress, volume, condensation, evaporation, water cycle. Let us learn the spelling. S-O-L-I-D, solid. S-O-L-I-D, solid, which means a substance or object that has weight, shape and occupy space. Next, liquid. L-I-Q-U-I-D. L-I-Q-U-I-D. Liquid. Substance that can flow and it has volume and it takes the shape of the container which has. Next, gases. G-A-S-E-O-U-S. G-A-S-E-O-U-S. Which means the state of matter distinguished from the solid and liquid. It is so different from solid and liquid. Weight. W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight. W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight. Weight in this lesson means heaviness. Okay. Next, states. S-T-A-T-E-S. States. States means forms. Nilaygal. Okay. F-O or M-S. Forms. 3 forms of matter we have learned. So, states. S-T-A-T-E-S. States. Next, compress. C-O-M-P-R-E-S-S. Compress. That means press together, reduce in size or volume. Compress. C-O-M-P-R-E-S-S. Next, volume. V-O-L-U-M-E. Volume. Relative amount. Okay. Next, condensation. C-O-N-D-E-N-S-A-T-I-O-N. Condensation. C-O-N-D-E-N-S-A-T-I-O-N. Condensation. You can form some 2 or 3 letters words from this new word. Okay. Next, condensation means what? The process of gas changing by a liquid. Okay. Next, evaporation. E-V-A-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. Evaporation. E-V-A-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. Evaporation. Change from a liquid. Okay. Change from a liquid to vapor. Okay. When we heat water, it change into steam. Okay. Vapor. That is called evaporation. Next, water cycle. W-A-T-E-R. Water cycle. C-Y-C-L-E. Cycle. Water cycle. The water cycle is a path that all water flows as it moves around earth in different states. You can see in the picture the sunlight falls on the earth and the rivers, oceans and lakes, ponds, okay, all the water bodies. So it evaporates and forms clouds. Okay, by the heat of sunlight, all the waters in the rivers, oceans, lakes, and trees change into clouds. Then the clouds, okay, comes down as rain and snow. Then it flows down, slopes into rivers, and finally into oceans. It reaches oceans. Some of it seeps under the ground. Seeps under the ground means it takes inside the ground. It get into the ground to form groundwater. Then evaporates again when the sunlight falls. So this whole cycle of water changing form and moving from the earth to the air and back is called the water cycle. Okay. Next we'll see the answer the following. First question is, how do we know what is matter and what is not matter? Matter is anything that takes up space and has weight. Example, books, table, chair, TV, etc. etc. Okay. So matter is anything that takes up space. Space means weight, it has weight. Okay. Then things that are non-matter either have no weight or else don't fill a volume. It doesn't fill a volume or it has no weight. So example, light, heat and sound. It will pass through with the things, but it won't take space or it doesn't have weight. Next we'll see the example of not things which has, you can see in this picture, matter, anything that takes up space and has mass. Mass means weight. Solid, liquid and gas. See, things have fixed shape in solid, under solid, and it has weight and it occupies space. Liquid, it takes a shape of the container and it flows and it doesn't have fixed shape and it has volume. Then gases, it spread all over the space, and see, you can see the different pictures of gases states. Okay. Next we'll see, name two things that are not matter. Light and heat. Light and heat. Name two things that are not matter. Light and heat. Light, light. Heat, HEAT, heat. Okay. Light and heat. Next, what are the three states of matter? Three states of matter are, the three states of matter are, three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas, solid, liquid and gas, solid, liquid and gases. You can see the three states of matter in this picture. See, solids, hat, pencil, skateboard, table, snow, then bicycle, apple, computer, tree house, etc. Next, liquid things, milk, drink, rain, hot chocolate, water in pool, then some soft drink, juice, soup. These are liquid things. Gases, wind from fan, air in the ball, hot air in the balloon, steam, then fog, okay, wind, etc. Next we'll see, name one characteristics of solids that is useful to us. Solids are hard and keep their shape, so we use them to make things. See, you can see the hammer and cutting blade. With this you can put hammer, nail in the wall, and you can tie the things, okay, with the cutting plate, or you can cut the wires, etc. So solids are hard and keep their shape, so we use them to make things. Okay, it won't change the shape unless we break it. What are fluids? Next we'll see what are fluids. Fluids, things that do not have a fixed shape, okay, and can flow, are called fluids. Things that do not have a fixed shape and can flow are called fluids, okay. Water, milk, and some medicines, okay, petrol, these are the things can flow, and we can use it, okay. See, milk in different container, okay, jug, bottle, and in a cup, so it takes the shape of the container which has, see, water, it's flowing, that's why we can drink the water, okay. Then you can see in different shape, okay, shape of the container which has cool drinks, water, then soft drinks, then hot drink, chocolates, ice cream, okay, and soup, these all liquid things, okay, which has the shape of the container which has, okay. Next, how are vapors different from gases? We'll say for some things we'll say vapors, and for some things we'll say gases. How it's differ? How are vapors differ from gases? Vapors are the gases form of things like water and petrol, which are ordinary liquid. Okay, we use the word gas for things like oxygen and carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen, which are normally in the gaseous state. Okay, so vapors or the gaseous form of the things like water. When we heat water, we'll get the steam, and if you boil milk, you'll get steam, and so we can smell the petrol, isn't it? It spreads, so it fluids, so it's a fluid, and you can see, you can smell the smell of petrol, isn't it? When we go to petrol bank, or if you stand near the vehicle, okay, you can smell, you can feel the smell of petrol. So vapors are the gases form of things like water and petrol, which are not ordinarily what is that, liquid. We use the word gas for things like oxygen and carbon dioxide, which are normally in the gaseous states. Okay, so go through this lesson, question answers, and learn the spellings, and when you have time, form new words from the new words what we have learned from this lesson. Okay, thank you children, God bless you all.